Press the round hole that attached to the box and place the extraction tube. Add extraction reagent to the extraction tube. Take out the sterilized swab. Rub the swab slowly in a circular motion around the inner wall of your nose 5 times by using medium pressure. Repeat the same process with the same swab in the other nostril. After sampling, the swab is soaked below the liquid level of the extraction reagent. Rotated and pressed 3 times. The soaking time of the swab is no less than 10 seconds. Insert the dripper into the extraction tube tightly. The liquid of the extraction tube is the sample after treatment. Open the packaging and take out the test device. Add 2 drops of the treated sample into the test device's specimen well. Start timer. Interpret the results within 20 minutes. The results after 30 minutes are no longer valid. Please put all used materials in the biohazard specimen bag for proper disposal.